Snapchat medium, if this cool. He gon' say, hey, telling me this and telling me that. You say once you take me with you, I never go back. Now I got a lesson that I wanna teach. I'ma show you that where you from, no matter to me. She said, hola, como esta? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. I said, bandumara. Then she said, sabate. And I said, nebule. No matter where I go, you know I love them all. She said,
if you ain't talking money, who you talking with? I'm dancing, I'm fighting, what's up?
Everybody don't like cheese sticks like you.
We also have an arts and craft table where you can make your own puppet. Shortly, we will be handing out raffle tickets for people to have the opportunity to win gift cards, the kids the opportunity to win small toys. But in the meantime, little ones, please help yourselves to cookies and candy. It's okay with your parents.
It's been on me is the right risk, even in crisis. I'm never on some switch sides. I switch gears to the night shift. Blacking out cause I'm enlightened. God talks to me in silence, but I hear him every time, man. God bless you. I woke up in beast mode with my girl that's beauty in the beast though. Bitch, I fight these different sleep though. Only thing that's sold out is the sea stove. They can bounce back. Time to lay edges, we gon' bounce back.